track and record the weather over the weekend and use this information to predict the weather on Monday, aka today. All right, and then make a video about the weather you recorded and predicted. Let's see what today's weather actually is so we know how we did on our predictions. Teddy, what temperature is it right now?
It is 34, but while at my mom's phone, it said 32.
Okay, so where you're at, it's a little cooler. Where I am, I'm actually not in Hoang Kiem, but in Hoang Kiem, it is 34 degrees Celsius. What else is the weather like right now? Mayhan? But what else can you tell me about it? What about the sun, the wind, the clouds, the rain?
The sun is hot.
All right, it's hot, it's sunny. What else? What else do you see in this picture, Layhan?
I see it is cloudy.
Yeah, there are some clouds. We call that partly cloudy. Good job, Layhan. It's partly cloudy and 34 degrees Celsius. Let's see how close you guys were on your predictions. Here's everyone that did their homework. Amazing job. Yes, all right, Ocean. Ocean, can you please tell us about the weather you recorded on Saturday and Sunday?
It's hot.
It's hot, okay. It looks like here it says 26 degrees Celsius. And before we go on, actually, everybody, ready? Everybody say degrees Celsius.
Degrees Celsius.
Good, excellent work. All right, so Ocean, it's 26 degrees Celsius on Sunday. Or Saturday. What was the weather like on Sunday?
It's sunny.
Very good, and I see you drew a flower. So what did you predict the weather would be on Monday, on today?
It's hot.
Hot, yes. What temperature did you write? Looks like maybe 20, is that a 9? 29 degrees Celsius?
Yes.
Can you say 29 degrees Celsius?
29 degrees Celsius.
All right, very good. So a little colder than it was today, but pretty close. And I like your drawing of the building and in the first picture of the flower. Nice work, Ocean. Okay, let's take a look at some videos. I think first up we have Mickey's video. Everyone be ready to answer some questions. I will stop the videos to ask questions to everybody, okay?
Hello everybody, I am Mickey. I'm from class 3-9. Today I will show the temperature in the afternoon in the Saturday is 31. And the temperature in the Sunday is 33, and the temperature in the Monday is 32. Goodbye, everybody.
All right, so a little short, Mickey, so I am gonna ask you a quick question. Mickey, what would you wear when it's 32 degrees Celsius? What clothes would you wear? Short clothes, okay, thank you. And let's ask one more question. Cindy, how is the weather different in the afternoon and in the evening?
the morning is got as cooler than the afternoon.
Very good. And then what about the evening? What happens when the sun is setting?
The evening is got as cooler.
It gets colder. Very good, Cindy. So we all took the temperature during the warmest part of the day. Very nice work, Assie. Here's what she tracked. Very nice drawings. I like that you're in them. Here's her prediction, and look at that. She got it right on the nose, 34 degrees Celsius. Let's take a look at Assie's video.
Hello everybody, my name is JC. I come from class 2E9. Today I will talk about my prediction about weather. First, what weather did you track? Because on Saturday and Sunday, I tracked the on Saturday is 31 temperature, and the result on Sunday is 34 temperature.
Very good.
What does the scientist use to tell you the temperature? The scientists measure the weather. First,
so we skipped that question a little bit, so I'll ask somebody else as well. How about, Minlong, what do scientists use to measure the temperature?
The time measure temperature, they can measure to see some is hot and some is cold, or some is when to tell the people about what the weather today is, so they can stay home and so they can go outside.
Very good. So that's why we measure the temperature. Great answer, Minlong. And what is that called? What is it? What is the tool called that we use to measure? Mia? What is the tool called that is used to measure the temperature? What is it called? It starts with a TH, a
thermometer.
Very good. Thank you, Mia. We use a thermometer.
They need towel. They need a ruler. They need a rain gauge and a thermistor.
Very good. She also mentioned a rain gauge. Minha, what do we use the rain gauge for?
The rain gauge for knowing the temperature.
For knowing the temperature? I thought that's what the thermometer was for.
I don't know.
Well, listen to the words in it. It's a rain gauge. What do you think the rain gauge measures?
Measures temperature.
No, that's the thermometer. Let's see if someone can help us out. How about Kwang Hai? What does the rain gauge measure?
Rain gauge measures the rain.
How much rain or precipitation? Very good. Good job though, Assi, on making your video, doing the homework. And you do a great job of facing the camera. Nice work. Let's take a look at Chi's video.
Hello everyone, my name is Peachy Class, and today I will show you about my homework. In my homework, I wrote that, and today I predict it is sunny, a little wind, and it is so hot, and I think it is 30 degrees Celsius in the afternoon, and in the Sunday it is 28 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. It is cooler, but still so hot. And on Monday, I think it will be 29 degrees Celsius because I think it repeats like when Saturday it is hot, so tomorrow Saturday, Sunday will be a little cooler than this.
Very good. So how did she make her prediction? How did she make her prediction? What did she say? What does the weather do? Sal, how did she make her prediction? She said the weather on Saturday was sunny, and what does the weather do?
It is very hot.
Mm-hmm. And does the weather, so she said, let's listen one more time, Sal.
And on Monday, I think it will be 29 degrees Celsius because I think it repeats like when it.
So what did she say? Why does she think it will be warm on Monday?
Because the weather is warm.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. If it's warm on Saturday and on Sunday, it might be warm on Monday because it's a pattern, right? And what do patterns do, Sal? Do they just happen one time?
They happen many times.
Many times. Good job, because the weather repeats. Nice work, Sal, and very good point, Chi.
Thermometer and the wind speed gauge.
Excellent.
It may not happen, or it may happen. We don't know, but I think that it will happen. And in Monday, I think that it is so hot, 29 degrees Celsius. I will wear a t-shirt and a skirt or short pants.
Very good. Make sure you dress nicely for the weather. T-shirt and short. Chi, great video. Look facing forward, talking loudly. Maybe next time, try and make sure there's less noise in the background because it can make you hard to hear, okay? Great work. Next up, we have Kui.
Today the temperature will be 30 Celsius.
All right, very good. All right, and what was the weather like on Sunday, Kui?
31 Celsius.
All right, and what did you predict the weather would be today on Monday?
33.
And how did you make that prediction? Why? Why do you think?
No, I just think that.
What do you think the weather will be tomorrow?
I don't know.
Take a guess. What do you think the weather will be tomorrow?
29 degrees.
Why?
29 Celsius.
Why won't it be 15 degrees tomorrow? Micah, how do you predict the weather on Monday? Why do you think Leo thought it would be 33 degrees Celsius?
I think he thought that it will be 33 degrees Celsius because the days that has gone the previous days that have gone through all the afternoon was windy like he predicted.
All right, yeah, so maybe just based on the previous days, right? Because weather repeats, it's a pattern. Kwang Hai, you have a question?
I think today is 10 degrees Celsius in the Monday because it is beautiful and not too sunny.
Yes, it is beautiful and not too sunny. So what would you do outside today, Kwang Hai?
Today, when I finish the learning English and Vietnamese, I will go bicycle in the park.
Excellent. And in the evening, after you finish class, it'll be a little cooler. That's a great time to ride your bike. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. He drew the weather on Saturday. I see some sun and ice cream. On Sunday, it was 35. Great job recording the weather. And here's his prediction for today on Monday. Let's see what he says about it in his video.
Hello everybody, my name is Sao. I'm from class 2B9. Today I will talking about my homework. First, on Saturday, the temperature will be 35 degrees C. It is hot. It is very hot.
Very good.
And we can eat ice cream. The temperature will be that temperature is mild and hot. And on Monday, the temperature will be 35 degrees again.
Very good.
I think it can be rain too. And it is 35 degrees C again. And it is very hot again.
How did you predict the weather? What information did you use to predict what the weather would be today? How did you know?
I think.
You thought? What did you think though? How did you know it wouldn't be snowing?
Because in the summer it's very hot.
Excellent. So Sal didn't just use the weather on Saturday and Sunday. He thought, well, this is the weather Saturday and Sunday, but it's also summer. Min Huang, what is the weather like in the summer?
Hot.
Hot, very good. What is the weather? What do you predict the weather will be in November, Min Huang?
Cold.
Cold. All right. Mia, how do you know it will be colder in November? Were November and December cold last year?
Yes.
Yeah? Was it cold the year before? Yeah, right? We were cold the year before, right?
Yes. But
Yes?
I don't see your sharing screen. I just see Sal's face.
Yes, that is the screen I'm sharing right now. No worries. You can see. So, Mia said it's cold last November. It's cold the November before. So Min Huang, how did you know it would be cold next November? How did you make that prediction?
Because it is winter.
Very good. And what is it called when the weather repeats every season?
It's called a pattern.
A pattern. Very good. So Sal knows the weather pattern for summer. Asi, how does knowing the weather pattern for summer help you predict the weather next week?
Because the weather is hot.
Yeah, because it's hot in summer. There you go. You know the weather already. You guys can predict the weather by recording it, by learning weather patterns. All right, nice work, Sal. So next up is Min Huang. Here's Min Huang's weather recording. Great job recording the weather. And here is his prediction. Only 1 degree off. Great work, Min Huang, on predicting the weather today. Let's watch a video.
Hello, my name is Min Yuan. In satellite, the weather are hot. The temperature is 31 degrees. In the afternoon, in Sunday, the weather is sunny. The temperature is 32 degrees.
Excellent.
The weather in Monday is very hot. The temperature is 35 degrees. The scientists use the wind gauge
Rain gauge, very nice.
know the wind and some another tools. I use the iPhone to know the weather. I will play football.
Excellent.
Eat ice cream in Monday.
Very good. Min Huang wants to know, can he play football? Can he swim? Emma, if the weather today was partly cloudy and 35 degrees Celsius, what activities would you want to do today? Would you play inside or outside?
I will play bicycle with my two sisters.
Very good. It's a great day to ride your bicycle. What time of day is the best to ride your bicycle? In the morning, the afternoon, the evening, or at night?
At night and evening.
Yeah, I think maybe Emma's right with the evening. At night, it's too dangerous. You don't want to ride your bike at 10 or 11 o'clock at night. That's scary. Maybe the morning or the evening, though? Why wouldn't you want to ride your bike in the afternoon? Lehan?
Because in the afternoon it's hotter.
It's hotter. Yeah, maybe it's too hot. All right, great work, Min Huang. You answered the questions. You said what you would do in this weather, what you would wear. Excellent work, Min Huang, and great job talking to the camera. Here's Micah.
Hello everybody, my name is Micah and today I will show you how I track and predict the weather. I tracked that on Saturday and Sunday it is cloudy. It was cloudy and sunny.
Very good.
So on Saturday it was 30 degrees in the afternoon. And when it's Sunday it was 29 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. I predict that the weather on Monday would be windy because the sky seems blank. That's how I follow the sky pattern.
Excellent. So Micah followed the pattern of the sky and the weather to say it might be windy. Micah, why did you think it might be windy today?
Because when I looked at the window outside yesterday, I saw there was no stars and moon.
Very good.
No stars and the moon. That's because the clouds, the air are heavy clouds floating in the sky, and when the sky is, they got stars and moon, it means that it is clear, and tomorrow might be sunny.
Very good, but you saw the sky wasn't clear, so you thought it might be cloudy and windy. Great job.
Pattern is like this. When the sky seems blank, it is
I see you went on.
So when I looked at today's sky, it was pretty blank. So yeah. Shirts or dress and jeans.
Very nice. All right, what you wear, what you would do. Very nice job, Micah. All of your stuffed animals in the background are really cute. And great job speaking loudly and looking at the camera. Next, let's take a look at Hacker's video.
Hello everybody, my name is Hacker. I learn in class 29 and I study in Everett School. Today I will tell you about weather. Today weather is hot because I think it because many times it's hot and I need a shirt. It is short and the hot day it go with 9 days and they so hot it goes 33 to 37
Nice.
and they so hot and I need to go on my house. I cannot go outside because my motel is hot.
Cindy, why could Hacker not go outside? Why did Hacker not go outside, Cindy?
Because it's harder.
It's hotter. It's too hot. Very good.
I go out and I so hot.
Mm-hmm.
And I was sick. Bye bye. See you again.
Very good. Excellent work, Hacker. Thank you for making a video. So can you start with number 3? What was your prediction for the weather today? And why did you make that prediction?
Because
So start by reading this sentence right here.
I predict the weather will be 28 Celsius in the afternoon.
Why? Why did you predict that?
Because that I can go out to ride a bike and play with my sister.
Very good. And why did you think there would be clouds? Why did you think that?
Because if it's too sunny, I can't go out to play.
Okay. And were there clouds on Saturday and Sunday? Were there clouds on Saturday and on Sunday? Was it a little cloudy?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, good. I'll stay on here. Let's have Hannah go next. All right, Hannah, what did you predict the weather would be today on Monday?
On Monday, I predict the weather on Monday will be 29 or 30 degrees Celsius in the afternoon.
Very good. And why? Why did you make Why would it not be 39 degrees Celsius? How did you know?
Because in the afternoon I know that when I woke in the afternoon I see the sun is rising very high.
Okay, so if it's 29 degrees Celsius in the afternoon, what temperature do you think it would be in the evening?
Evening, I think it will be 26.
Very good. And Teddy, if it's 26 degrees in the evening, what temperature do you think it would be at night?
I think it will be 21 or 23 because at night it is way cooler.
Very good. At night, it is cooler. That happens every night, right? What is that called, Teddy, when it repeats?
It's a pattern.
Very good. That's a weather pattern. It's cooler at night. Great drawing, Hannah. Thank you for sharing. Our last one is Minha. Beautiful drawings.
Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Excellent. I'm going to skip forward a little bit to your prediction, but beautiful, beautiful drawings, Minha. I see your ice cream, your umbrella for the rain.
We need an umbrella.
Temperature.
We wait.
So Min Long, why do we need an umbrella?
It's raining, so we need an umbrella to cover our head to do not be wet.
Very good. Why is a weather prediction important when it's going to rain? Let's see, Leo. Leo, why is a weather prediction important when it's going to rain? Do you want to go outside in the rain in a t-shirt?
Yes.
Yes? You want to go outside in a t-shirt in the rain and get soaking wet?
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't know. Maybe what should you wear when it's raining, Leo?
Jacket.
A jacket, right? If you don't predict the weather or check the weather report, you might go outside when it's raining and get wet or sick.
And
Temperature.
And on Sunday, it is 23
Degrees.
The temperature is 23 degrees.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow
Tomorrow
is sunny.
is Monday.
It's Monday. And there's a shop, an ice cream shop.
Very nice. Excellent job. You eat ice cream when it's hot. Very good job, Sarah. Thank you for sharing. And lastly, we have Lehan. We're just going to watch a little piece of it. I like your haircut, Lehan. Very cute haircut.
Today I will talk about the weather. In my picture has the sun, my eye, and the tree.
Great job, everybody, for doing your homework. We had a lot of people do it. Okay, here's your homework tonight. Your homework is this worksheet, okay? Number 1, how did the weather change from morning to afternoon? What did you observe? Number 2, write the terms to complete each sentence. Number 3, fill in the blank. right? We have spring, we have fall. So what are these two? And what happens in this season? And number 4, suppose a friend sent you these pictures but did not tell you when they were taken. Use the clues in each picture to identify the season and write it in the blank. What season are these pictures in? All right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great Monday. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.